Welcome to the in front of me TCL 306, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first, we should activate the SIM card on our device. And after that, let's go here into the settings. Now just here we can SIM card and mobile network section. Here click to the edit icon. We can see the name of our SIM and the operator, and as can you see here, we can just change our SIM pin code. So we should go here, we should scroll down here and go here into the security and biometrics section. Now just scroll a little bit down, and here you'll see the SIM card lock. Here we will see that this lock SIM card switcher is activated, and now just to remove the SIM pin, you should click here only once on the switcher. After that, here enter your pin code. In my case, that's from 1 to 4. You saw this before. Then just click here to OK. And now, as can you see, that the SIM pin is just disabled on our device. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.